This structure has been designed by and manufactured by CNIM in the frame of the contract MHE. So this is at scale 1. This structure represents 1/3 of the actual vacuum vessel.
You can see here the in-vessel tower crane. It's designed to install in-vessel systems, which includes the blanket manifolds, the elm coils, the shield blocks and the first wall panels. Today we've been testing the accuracy of the IVTC because to install the shield blocks, the IVTC needs to be able to position these heavy components to within 0.5 millimeter accuracy. So it was very important that the IVTC be designed for this accuracy and also that we could test it, which is what we've done this morning. So we tested the positioning, which was done manually, manual control, and the positioning was done to better than 0.1 of a millimeter, so much less than the requirement. And we also tested the accuracy of the IVTC when it does the final movement to install the shield block. And that was done to within 0.07 of a millimeter, which is far less than the accuracy requirement. So today we demonstrated that the IVTC performs very well and performs what we expect it to.
So we also supplied the 2 cherry pickers that are dedicated to work inside the vacuum vessel on the specific rails that we have developed for the in-vessel tower crane. All those tools will be used once the vacuum vessel is fully constructed, and they will be installed in the various equatorial ports. This is the upper part of the test facility built for the mechanical handling equipment contract. This represents the port cell, one equatorial port going toward the vacuum vessel. And inside this port cell we have in yellow the structure of the through-port transfer system, which is a hoist crane that is able to bring the component from the corridor toward the vacuum vessel, which includes the manifold, the ELM coils, and also the shield blocks. The hoist that we can see over there have a capacity of 5 tons of lifting. The in-vessel tower crane, for instance, took about 6 months to be fully manufactured with our partner in Ariège. And the TPTS, the through-port transfer system, was built in our subsidiary in China, and it took about 8 months to be fully functional and tested.
These tools, the IVTC, the gantry crane and the cherry picker, all of these tools will be used in the vacuum vessel. So obviously the point of this facility was to test the tools and make sure that they meet the requirements. And today was the final test, and all of the tools have passed with flying colours, worked very well.